And happy IRS opening e-file day. Today is January 27th, 2025. And I did want to just put a quick video out there today as the IRS e-file system is opening up today. Again, I am a licensed CPA with just under 2 decades of experience. And if you guys find the information you find in my videos helpful or useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Again, just appreciate the support. So today I wanted to talk about tax returns and when can you expect your refund. So pretty much IRS opens up today, which means anytime from 24 hours to a couple days. Typically it's within 24 hours, if not less. The IRS will accept your return. Also, IRS will begin processing returns and then again begin accepting returns. So again, here we are on the irs.gov and information on refunds. So once your return gets accepted, you wait about 24 hours and it will be in the Where's My Refund location, which you can check over here. And again, I will post this link down below in the description so anyone can find it. So typically IRS takes about 21 days to process refunds if you e-file your return. Of course, that is the suggested way of filing your return. But again, if you have to paper file your return for one reason or not, that will take longer. So according to here, and again, I'll give you my experience, but I'm just going to read to you what the IRS specifically states. So it's up to 21 days to receive your refund via e-filed return. 4 weeks or more for amended returns and returns sent by mail, and longer if your return needs corrections or review. So let's go from the bullet point on up. So corrections or review. So this is if you made an error on your return, there's something that doesn't match up, you didn't correctly type in a document was reported but not reported on your income tax return, you transpose numbers. So any of the above can cause for any of those items to happen. Or you received a 1095-A, purchased insurance in the marketplace, and you did not report it. Again, that'll take longer as the IRS, what's gonna happen is your return is going to show processing with no specific date on it. And then it can update and say the IRS had sent you a notice in the mail, and you're going to have to wait for that notice in the mail to arrive before you're going to be able to fix your return. So again, as I always state in all my videos, as I try to help everybody save money, educate everybody on taxes, please double check your returns. Make sure you have all your documents. Don't rush to file. Wait until you get everything, and just make sure they're all in and everything is accurate. 4 weeks or more for amended returns and returns sent by mail. Again, there really shouldn't be any reason why you're sending a return by mail. Even amended returns can be e-filed if you do use a tax professional, so just keep that in mind. But again, you shouldn't be sending your initial return by mail. Definitely does not recommended, as it will typically take longer than 4 weeks, as somebody actually has to physically scan it into the system and open the mail, and that sometimes takes significantly longer. So I have seen that take upwards of 1 year plus to receive a refund. And then the normal e-filed returns. So if your return is e-filed, you have no issues, no other items within your return, you will receive that refund within 21 days. Now, historically, my experience with this, as long as there's not anything below, mainly the earned income credit that you have on your return, my experience with this has been about 1 week. Typically, the IRS deposits the refund within 1 week. Again, that's not to say that your return may not take longer, but my experience has been basic, married filing joint, W-2, takes standard deductions, has 2 children, dependent care expenses, has been just about 1 week. Might be a little bit more than 1 week, maybe 7 to 10 days, but in general, it's been about a week, historic season. So again, don't take my word for it, because your particular situation can definitely generate a longer turnaround time, but my experience has been 1 week. So just keep that in mind. Again, the 21 days is the max amount. I have seen it take 21 days for the most part on average. IRS is turning around the refunds a lot quicker than that, especially in most recent years. And the way to get it the quickest is to put direct deposit in there, as you don't have to wait for snail mail. They'll be able to just put it into your account. So that 7 to 10 days that I told you about is with a direct deposit. Again, any other option that you choose is going to take longer. So my suggestion is e-file with direct deposit. Don't select paper check. Don't select anything else. Just do refund, direct deposit. I also don't suggest doing any of the refund transfers or refund loan advances on any of the national tax prep softwares. Just go standard, put it in your checking account, put it in your savings account method. That will be the quickest, most efficient way of getting your refund. Now let's talk about if you have the earned income credit, as this process takes a lot longer. So again, if I click on this link here, they are not going to start paying out on the earned income credit until the end of the month. Well, actually, they changed it. This the other day was the end of the month, so just looking at it again, you will not get your refund until March 3rd at the earliest. The status will show updated. So again, reading here, you can check your "Where's my refund" frequently. It's not suggested that you check that more than once per day, but that will update starting on February 22nd. So you should be able to see when you get it. In certain banks, you'll be able to see the deposit pending within certain banks. I know if I'm getting a refund, I could see it within my bank. So again, you can always check that as well, which is always a key point to getting it. But like I said, earned income credit is going to be longer. So unfortunately, you'll have to hold on a little bit more for that earned income credit. And again, for this, it doesn't really matter. If you filed your return on February 15th, odds are they're going to start processing the return by then. The reason why they end up holding it for the earned income credit is they want to wait for the wage information to get updated within the system, everything else to get updated in the system. So then again, they can confirm income, confirm you're actually eligible for it. It takes a little bit more time to calculate the credit. But again, you will receive it. It just takes a little bit more. So again, I just wanted to post this video out there on tax filing opening day. So if you have any questions, please post down in the comments. And again, if you found this video helpful, please appreciate the support. Please like and subscribe.